Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A80, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you will want to open up your settings application. Just quickly close those up. So let's open up settings right here. Swipe all the way down to additional settings, and then swipe down again, and at the bottom you will find the backup and a reset. Click on it and then select reset phone. Now if you want, you could back up your phone right here, though keep in mind this is going to be done to the cloud. I recommend, if you're planning to back up your device, to back it up to just like local storage, like your computer or something like that, as this gives you more versatility. So if you're, for instance, resetting this device because you get a new one, and said new device maybe is not an OPPO but for instance Motorola, you might not be able to restore this data. Backing it up to your computer, for instance, removes that problem, as it's just data from the phone copied over to your computer, so then you can copy it back to any other device. So it just kind of removes the problem. But anyway, continuing on with the reset, once you backed it up, or maybe you just don't want to, you can select reset phone and then erase all data. Erase all data and press on that once more to start a factory reset of the device. This will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. With that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.